Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add glow in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this, all you have to do is go to your Fusion tab. So from your media tab, just go to your Fusion tab, and then from there you'll have these nodes. So I already set it up for you guys. So here's your media one. So just select the clip that you want to. So for me it's this one. I'm trying to highlight this glowing red part of my clip. So all you have to do is add your keyer one, or just go and select your keyer, your HSL keyer, and drag it over here. So here in your keyer, all you have to do is get this button right here, your drop stick, and then highlight the place that you want to make it glow. From there, if you want to add more, just add this, and there you go. And then there you go, it's done. So there, then add your preferred glow and connect them together, and then add your merge node right here, like right here, so it's right there ready, and then connect all your clips. So there you go. Basically now there's just gonna be a soft glow for my clips. So of course you can mess with this and all, so I'm just gonna show you the basics, and there you go. Basically that's how you do it. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.